This 2013 Forest River Wildcat 327CK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a hazelnut, steel, bark, Lauren interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.